Good day. We, hello, fellow students and our dear educators. Today, we'll be sharing my thoughts over a simple thing we need to do in every life. Manners matters. In today's generation, either young ones or grown adult, we have to keep in mind that in everything we do, we need to remember to do it in a proper manner. A lady can be beautiful with flawless skin and a movie star Arabat is a good manner lacking it made no sense. A person can be smart, rich but without proper manners, still like empty shell. Good manners are the way we do things every life. We have a proper manners when dealing with elderly, with teachers, with fellow youth, even simply using an escalator or elevator, there's a proper manner we need to follow. If only we follow this simple but proper manner in every life, I'm sure this is going to be better place world to live in. Thank you.